Wala si Boyo.
First possession niya ng MPL Taraki, number 2, Cuyos, looking for an open man. Finds Gibit, number 45. Basket is good, number 45.
Wala si Boyo. Hindi na siguro yun.
Number 9, Boswick tracking, finds number 18. Pulls a 3. Short, recovered. Short pa rin. Rebound by Cuyos. This is Cuyos, number 2. Cuyos setting up. Cuyos steal. Finds number Roby. Scoop and shot. Sablay ang tira. Number 21. Easy basket, number 21. And number 45 pulls a 3. Short ang tira. Si number 9 pulls. Short. Rebound by Roby. Roby to give it. Give it. Number 45 finds Roby katakutan. Jumper short. Out of bounds.
Pinatayan mo yan? Pinatayan. Ha?
Yes, yeah, number 21 to number 23. Basket is good. Number 23. Score natin. 4-2. Cuyos fakes. Spins. Forcing the offense. Sablay. Recovered. Sablay pa rin. Pinasa kay Roby. Number 27. Shot clock. Down to 12 seconds. Nawala ang bola. Number 21 yan. Well-defended basketball by number 12, Ombaw. Ito si Ombaw. Number 11, Teofe. Short pa rin. Kuha na. Easy basket, number 21. Number 45. Ombaw. Shoots. Won't go. Rebound by number 8. Number 8 to number 9, Contreras. Mira ng tres. Number 18.
Pamuntak na agad. Palit mo ka.
Ayan na. Latun tayo. Maiwan yung isa.
Aywan isa.
Maiwan siya. Yan. Okay yan.
Uy, iwan isa.
Ombaw.
Ah, yan na. Okay
Oh,
na.
sakto na siya.
Boyos, okay na.
Okay. Number 45 setting up. To give it. Covered. Basket is good. Number. Samson, number 24. Number 8, forcing the offense. Won't go. Rebound by number 20. Number 20 to number 45. Keep it. Keep it. Setting up. Number 24, baseline. In and out. Recovered. Out of bounds. Contreras, number 8, on the baseline. Floater, that is good, number 8. 18. Sabi ang tira. Number 9, to Rebuka, number 3. Number 3 steal, finds number 18, pulls the 3. Basket is good, number 18. Score na rin. 14-4. Fuentes pulls the 3. Stephen Curry, 3. In and out ang bola, naku ulit lang. Miran Tres. Sablay. Rebound by Rebuka, number 3. Basket yan. Pasang tira pala yun. And a steal by the Joshua Kraken. Rebound by number 91, Bonifacio. To number 24. Number 24, Samson. Penetrates. Basket yan. Samson. Contreras. Contreras. Ano po sa Andrew? Umira sa Rebukan. Sablay. Rebound by number 8. Number 8 scoops at baseline. And it's good. Ayola, number 18, Binitbit. Pasok. Score natin, 20-09. Sige, pag pumasok, yung tira sa kabila. Number 20 hesitates, and there's a foul. Sino mo? Number 18 is foul. First personal.
Huwag na magkwentuhan dyan. Uy!
Alright, back to the ball game.
Ano yan?
Number 11, pulls the 3. Basket yan, number 11. Basa balo ang kalamangan ng Boswek. Ayan si Boswek. And a steal by number 91. Nastilo si number 18. Pass to number. Out of bounds. White's ball. Number 45, in the paint, drop pass to Inhook, umikot, sablay, buha ng Bosway niya. Number 3, malakas, out of bounds.
Malat sa ano. Number 20.
Baser na lang, baser.
Hazard na lang maririnig, 19 seconds. Samson, floater, in and out, recovered by Samson. Rolling at the Fuentes, fires, won't go, rebound by number 91, number 20. Basket niya, number 20. Score natin, 14. Babasaan din ang kalamangan ng Boss Wayne.
May iwan sa 11. Sinong time out? Walang time out, diba? Palit. O ano?
Back to the ball game. Second quarter na tayo. White's ball. Mulos, setting up. No, number 23. Number 23, inaras ni Roby. Inirahan. 3 points. Number 23. Number 27. First one is good.
Ano daw?
At basket tayo, not basket. Hindi counted yung isa.
Isa lang ang pumasok.
Isa lang pumasok.
And a steal by Roby.
Ay!
Isa lang. Gumagalaw. Gumagalaw, tsaka lang.
Score natin 23-15. Na-stealan yan. Number 23, double dribble. Uyos.
Ben.
Setting up. Mira ng 3. Basket is good. 3. Number 21. Floater. Only number 18. Pulls the 3. Basket yan. 3 points.
Ay, dapat.
Steal na naman na. Rebook. Bosweng. Rebukan. Number 3. Pulls the 3. Basket, 3. Samson setting up, finds Roby in the paint. Sabla yan. Number 3, basket yan. Kaya number 3.
Platon kayo, Platon. Mamaya kayo.
May idol pag...
Foul number 8.
Pwede kayo mag-time out. Palit.
It's a shot na ka, master.
8 second shot clock tayo.
Time out.
Time out. Score natin 31-18.
Hoy, tumayo ka dyan! Ball mo po!
Napagod na.
Shot lang tayo, shot lang! 8 seconds shot lang tayo,
8 seconds.
8! Continuous na playing tayo, continuous!
8 seconds to play. Fuentes goes the 3. 3 points.
Pasok na lang nila yun. Kasi mainit naman yun.
That's number 8. Number 8, pass to. Recovered. Foul number 27.
Malaki siguro lamok doon.
Number 27, first personal. Forward, out of bounds.
Ben, malaki lamok no? Malaki lamok?
Number 2, Cuyos. Hey. Number 3, tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound by number 20. Long pass to Cuyos, fakes. Umikot, wala na rin yan. Ibukan na steal by Samson. Samson, pass to Fuentes. Time out!
Ben, punta tayo,
Ah, no.
punta.
Laton tayo, sorry. Laton tayo pa.
Platon lang tayo, Platon, Platon!
Platon, hindi time out. Palit.
Ben, Ben, laki ng lamok no? Laki.
Tennis lang yan. Coach.
That's number 3. Number 3. Back to number 21. Fakes. Number 8. Short. Long pass to wing hold number 20. Counter. Number 20.
Habol pa yun.
Score na 25-31. Wing hold in the line for his bonus. Forward. Out of bounds. Lim lang. Asahan ibang kalamangan ng swing tracking. And ang BWT player number 8 in the paint. Floater jumper. Recovered. Buhayan ni Fuentes. Fuentes. Nagmamadali. Fuentes steal. Hanap ng mapasahan. In-hold in the line. Kicking violation. Number 23. Number pasahan ng isa number 8. Number 8, one hand shot. Wala yan. Rebound ulit. Ni number 8, umikot. Basket is good. Number 8. Ang score natin 33-25. Fuentes pulls the 3. Short. Rebound dying hook. 4-meter jumper. Wala yan. Out of bounds, same ball. Number 9 pulls a 3. Short ang tira.
Lalamunan kasi sa gabi.
Ingho penetrates. Nawalang bola. Same ball. Ingho inbound the ball to number 91. Pinasa sa kalaban. Number 21, AC. Number 91, the home ball. The crowd. Pass to Fuentes. Goes to 3. Recovered by Ruby. Basket. And one basketball. Who's foul?
Number 9.
Number 9 is foul.
Ano yan?
Bonus shot. Wala.
Sugat ka?
Bola, bola, bola.
Bakit ka nasugat? Ano sa bola? Pagalis ko,
Rebukan. Setting up. JJ Rebukan. Pass to number 9. To number 8. Pulls. Jumper. And there is a foul. Foul number 9. Number 9 first, personal. Number 12, all down to number 11. Pulls a 3. 3. Steal again by Fuentes. Fuentes steal. Pulls a 3 again. 3 points. Ayun na, babasa dalawang kalamangan ng Boswell. Number 9. Finds number 3. 3 points! Kasi Ongbaw. Ongbaw, hanap na mabasahan. Floater, basket is good. Ongbaw. Number 3, there's a foul committed by number 91. First personal. Number 3 in the line. First bonus. First one is good. Apat ang kalamangan ng Boss Weng. Second one, Sablay. Corner number 20. And there's a foul. Double foul tayo. Number 9 and number 27. Number 27, second personal foul. Number 9, second personal foul. As in number 12, number 12 steal. Nakawala si number 12. Pass to number 91. Basket is good. Number 91. Score 39-37. Baba sa dalawa. Kalamangan ng Boss Weng. Tumira ng 3. Airball. 13 seconds left.
Bigyan, idol. Running time.
Ombaw. Grab pass to Robby. Wala si Robby. Basket is good. Step back tayo. 39 all in the second quarter. Okay, we are now in the second half of this game. NBL versus Boss Weng tracking. Our score is deadlock 39. So both teams meron pa yung tatlong timeout.
Global tayo, global.
Number 23 and number 9. Number 9 setting up. And number 18 goes a 3 short. Rebound by number 11. Fuentes. Fuentes steal. Ano mga masahan? And a steal by number 3. Easy basket number 3. Ombaw steal. Ombaw forcing the offense short. Out of bounds. Bola ng blue. Rebuval throws the 3. Short. Rebound by number 91. Bonifacio. Ombaw. To Bonifacio. To Fuentes. Step back 3. Short. Rebound by Inghog. In the paint. Basket is good. Deadlock na naman tayo. 41 all. Number 9. To number 3. Pulls the 3. Overshoots. Rebound by. And who's ball? Same ball possession. Number 23 on the wall. Drop pass to the wrong one. Out of bounds. Ombaw. Wala na pa ni Inghog. Recovered. Ronnie Ombaw. Pulls the 3. Short. Out of bounds. Blues ball. Edge tayo sa 41. Number 3, Rebukan.
Bel, takbo ka, Bel.
Rebukan to number 4. Pulls the 3. 3 points. Number 9. Ombaw. Fuentes pulls a 3. Sure, malakas ang tira. Energy, rebukan. Basket is good. And one. Foul number 2. Number 21. Foul number 21.
Time
Number
out.
12, sorry, number 12.
Time out na sila. Shot ba? Basket ba? Time out.
Basket is good. Time out.
May idol eh, bigyan mo bola.
Bigay na. May steal na naman. Rebukan. Penetrates. Basket is good. Time out. Time out. Ang score natin 49-41. Baba. Balik sa 8. Kalamangan.
Taas ko yung 11.
Anip kayo.
Tama lang. Ay, Kuyos.
Anip kayo, anip. Labas isa. Yan si Kuyos. Kuyos na number 24. Samson rejected. Rebound. Rebound by number 18. And there's an offensive foul number 18. Kayo lang. Ha? Gayon na. Dalawa. Second personal foul, number 18. Kasi number 2, Cuyos. Fuentes, balls at 3. Basket is good. 3. Score natin 49-44. Baba sa 5. Number 21, throws the 3. Basket yan, number 21. 3 points. Number 45. Number 45 to Samson. Malakas ang tira. Kuha ni Keep it. Basket niya.
Mahal talaga dito, Ed.
Swing tracking inbound the ball. Number 23. Drop pass. Drop pass. Nice steal. Paso. Keep it. And there's a foul. Made it by number 3. Number 3, second personal foul. (52-46).
Dalawa. Sorry.
And one pass the ball. Pumasok.
Pumasok.
Number 20. Who's foul rep? Number 3. Yan, dalawa na foul minor.
Dalawa.
Dalawa. Air ball.
Sino nag-time out?
Dalawa. Dalawa pang time. Boss Wing, dalawa pa time out nyo. Dito tatlo pa. Idol, tatlo pa time out nyo. Tatlo. Dito dalawa. Nag-CR lang yung
Yan
time
o.
out.
Naglalakad
Hey,
ka.
nalakwat ka na. Tara na. Ano ginagawa nyo? Ano tayo oras?
Hindi, sakto.
5 minutes remaining, third quarter. 48-52 in favor of Boswen Tracking.
O yung bata.
Bata.
Sa Gandira, rebound by Puyos, number 2. Ano ang pasang po Puyos? Basket is good. Number 45. Setting up to play.
Dapat doon sa baba.
Number 45. Umira ng 3, Sablay. Rebound. Ay, naku naman. Traveling na. Ano ba? Substitution.
Sa musiko eh.
Score natin 54-48. Steal, right hook. Malakas ang pasa.
Sayang.
Three minutes. 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Ayan si Rebukan setting up. Nakarang lampasan si number 9 to number 21. Number 21, floater, basket, number 21. 2 minutes 41 in this third quarter. Yan na si number 45. Number 45 setting up. Fuentes. Balik kay 45. 24, pulls.
Lakas.
Ang score natin, 56-48. Rebukan. Kaya naman basa si number 9. Number 9 to number 21. Number 21 to number 18. Number 18 pulls the 3. Wala, rebound by Hope. And si Samson, no? Yes, si Jampo by Hope, number 20. Nasa anim ang kalamangan ng Red Bull. Crossway, Rebukan Energy. Number 21, Bulls. Sablay. Ulit na. Rejected yan. Foul number 18. Number 18, third personal foul. Number 45, drop pass na walang bola. Number 23. Basket is good, number 23. Number 24, number 24. Number 45. Pass to Fuentes, pulls a 3. Short. Rebound niya ng number 45. Number 45 first, personal.
Ay, lang tayo mo tayo.
Wala pa. Ayaw nyo na mag-time out. Meron pa kayo tatlong time out, Kataraki. Kataraki boys. NBL, meron pa kayo tatlong time out. Yan si number 3, kasarangutan.
Sampu na namang.
Selang throw. Sabla. Si Ingho. Ingho. Ingho penetrates. Wala. Long pass to Rebukan. Fakes. Tumikot. All defended. Foul number 12. Number 12, second personal foul. O na, balik sa 10 kalamangan.
Hindi na ako kanina yung traparo. Baka umaga tayo natin sa internet.
Second free throw is good.
Kasi kung saktong 6 ka lagi, okay naman eh. Matatapos tayo sa saktong.
Fuentes pulls a 3. Wala. Ano ang kasahan? Drop pass, guys. Samson. Rejected. Buzzer na marinig. Number 18. And there's a foul. Penalty situation. Sino ba ulit? 45. Number 12. Basket. Una.
12.
11 seconds to shoot. No points ang lamang ng Boswell. We are now in the fourth quarter.
Kay.
Yung isang referee natin. Tsaka, kaya hindi na ako natin.
Kanina? May iba daw yung nakita.
Okay lang din. Hindi naman kami nag-aaral.
Nasaan na si... ano ba? Uwi na? Labas lang. The fourth quarter na tayo. Tuyos. Roby. Back to number 91. Jumper is good to number 20. Out of bounds. Balik sa 10. 10 na ang kalamangan. Labas sa 10. Number 45. Pass the number. Easy basket. Number 20. Diba sa 8 ang kalamangan? Nabukan. As a number 8. To number 18. Goes in 3. 3 points. And long basketball pa yan. Number 18. Foul number? 08.
Uyos!
Pumasok?
Hindi.
Inghog. Short. Put back. Ang score natin, 65-54. Sablay ang 3, si Bonifacio, ito si number 23. And well defended basketball by Nataraki Boys, yun si Cuyos, Binomba, Sablay. Ayan na, Boswell, number 9, pulls the 3. Ayan, ni Roby's number. And sige, Pete, forcing the offense. Ingham, basket. $65-56, 5 minutes. 22. Number 18 for the 3. Wala ba tayo penalty? Paul Cuyos. Substitution. Number 18, basa lang muna. Second one is good. And the third one is good. $68-56. Fuentes pulls the 3. Basket niya kay Fuentes. $59.
Yan, galing tayo yan. Dire-diretso yan, dire-diretso.
Out of bounds.
Lalayo pa.
And si Bonifacio to give it. Give it to Fuentes. Fuentes pulls the 3. Short. Ronnie, Rebukan. Yung number. Sabla ang tira. Ronnie Mafigan. Give it to Fuentes. Pulls the 3. Steal by Fuentes. Out of bounds. Inbound the ball. Fuentes to Robbie. Basket yan kay Robbie. Diba sa pito, kalawangan.
Quarter na, wala na running time.
2 minutes idol ang
2 minutes lang.
stop time natin.
Sa 2 minutes lang tayo mag-stop. Sa 2 minutes lang mag-stop.
Galing time tayo. Hanggang 2 minutes.
Who's foul rap? Katawotan. Third personal, katawotan.
2 minutes ang stop time.
Red point by number 18. 2 minutes 40. Number 41, tumira sa Ablay. Number 18. Number 3. Number 18, tumira sa Ablay. Rebound by Robbie. Ayan na si Ingham. Ingham. And there's a foul. Foul number 3. Rebukan. Third personal foul. Substitution. First one is good. $62-71 ang ating score. Second one. Wala yan. Ano naman ang magasahan? Rebukan. 7 seconds, 6 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Buzzer na lang maririnig. Shot clock violation tayo.
Shot clock violation tayo.
Shot clock violation. Wala ng white. 1 minute and 47. Ombo, flies, basket, Ombo. Score natin, 71-64. Number 18. That's number 9. 9 seconds to shoot. Number 9, basket is good. 3 points. 74-64. Balik sa 10. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Number 9 again. Wala. Nako yan ni Inghog. Inghog. Basket yan kay Inghog. 52 seconds left. 74-66 ang ating score. Kaso nabukan. 43 seconds. Number 9.
Pinapalaman.
7 seconds. Buzzer na lang marinig. Basket is good. Number 18. 3 points. Twenty-two seconds left. Hirang press na naman. Basket is good. Keeper and Sablay.